The footer works similar to the header, just at the bottom of the page. I'll click here to return, and then I'll scroll down to the footer. Click here to expand the footer and show the elements of the email signup. I like to remove this, but if you'll try it out later, you don't need to delete these elements. You can just hide them for now. And we don't have anything else in the footer. If you don't want to put anything else in the footer, you could just hide that as well. Below this footer section, we have the utilities. Click the arrow to expand this, and click on the copyright section. Up here, you can toggle off the text that says Powered by Shopify. Then, to update this store name, let's first save, and then click the hyperlink to manage store name. That will open a new tab and take you directly to the setting within the dashboard. It's under the General Settings, and you can change the name here. Then, save this change and close this tab. Now back on the editor, refresh this, scroll down, and you'll see that change take place. Now click back to exit the copyright section, and here you have your policies. I'll show you how to update these later. If you click back once more, here we have our social media links. For any given platform, just click here, and then you can enter your profile URL, or if you want to remove any particular link, just click the X here. When you're happy, go up and save.